It's 2 a.m. While America sleeps, the invisible workforce is just getting started. At a Fortune 500 company in Chicago, an employee is processing 3,000 invoices, resolving 200 customer disputes, and rerouting a delayed supply chain from Singapore. This employee doesn't drink coffee, they don't have a LinkedIn profile, and they don't even have a body. We've spent the last 3 years talking about AI assistants, tools that wait for us to give them a prompt. But in 2026, the era of waiting is over. AI has officially evolved into the AI agent. It's no longer a tool you use, it's a digital worker that works for you. And it's about to change every single thing you thought you knew about your career. To understand the magnitude of this shift, you have to understand the difference between a helper and an agent. Think of ChatGPT in 2024 as a very smart intern. You tell it to write an email, it writes the email. But you still have to hit send. You have to check the reply. An AI agent? That's the manager. In 2026, companies like Salesforce and Microsoft have rolled out systems that can plan, act, and reason. If you give an AI agent a goal, say, increase our sales in the Northeast region, it doesn't just give you a list of ideas, it logs into your CRM, it researches prospects, it drafts and sends personalized outreach, it monitors who opens the emails, and it schedules the follow-up meetings directly onto your calendar. It's doing the doing. And the scary part? It's doing it with about 10% human input. This isn't science fiction anymore. Look at the boardroom of any major US corporation right now. Siemens is already using industrial AI agents to manage entire factory floors, predicting when a machine will break before it even happens, and ordering the replacement parts autonomously. Block, the parent company of Cash App, is using autonomous agents to sniff out fraud in real time, making decisions on multi-million-dollar transactions in milliseconds, decisions that used to take teams of humans hours to verify. Even in healthcare, agents are now handling patient intake, analyzing radiology scans, and coordinating follow-up care without a single administrator picking up a phone. The efficiency is undeniable, but it raises a chilling question for the American worker. If an AI can plan the project, execute the tasks, and report the results, what exactly is left for the humans? I want to stop right here and ask you something. Look at your current job or the industry you're studying for. If you had a digital twin, an AI agent that could handle 80% of your repetitive tasks perfectly, would that make you a super employee, or would it make your role redundant? Pause for a second and comment replace or upgrade below. I'm reading these, and I want to see which industries feel the heat the most. Here is the hard truth for 2026. Data from Stanford shows that entry-level hiring for AI-exposed roles has already dropped by 13%. Why hire 5 junior analysts when one senior manager with an agentic workflow can do the work of 20? But before you start updating your bunker, look at the flip side. We are seeing the rise of a new class of worker, the agent orchestrator. These are people who don't know how to code, but they know how to manage a fleet of digital workers. They aren't doing the data entry, they are designing the systems that do it. The skills gap is real. By the end of this year, 90% of organizations will face a shortage of people who actually know how to work beside an agent. The job market isn't disappearing, it's being recoded. The digital employee is here to stay. The only question is, will you be the one who manages them or the one they were hired to replace? We are living through the biggest shift in labor since the Industrial Revolution. In the next 12 months, your colleagues might not have a desk, they'll have an IP address. The winners of 2026 won't be the smartest or the hardest working, they'll be the ones who learn to delegate to the machine. If you want to stay ahead, I've put together a full breakdown of the top AI agent platforms being used in the US right now. Comment the word link below, and I'll send you my curated list of the tools you need to master to become an agent orchestrator before the rest of the world catches on. The future isn't coming, it's already running in the background. Don't get left behind. If you want real stories about AI, automation, and how America's jobs are changing, follow Future Files USA, because the future doesn't wait, and neither should you.